It is about 6:30, and we all know what that means. Gym time. Dun, dun, dun. So I'll see you when we get back, or in the car maybe.
My all, the rise and fall, the world. I just wanna leave my mark upon.
Hey guys, so I got some exciting news, and I am home alone. So do you know what that means? I can sing, I can dance, can make a film myself. No, I'm just kidding. Well, yeah, I can do that too. But I'm going to show you around my place. Or not my place, our place. Okay, so we'll start here. This is our spare room. Yes, very exciting. And now into my cave. So just be aware that it is a bit messy at the moment. And yeah, so don't judge. Okay, so this is it. Boom, that's us. My bed, my desk, a bit of a subs hoarder, but we'll go into that later in another video. It's my bed, and yes, I am a 21-year-old that loves her soft toys, and I don't know if you can notice, but yes, that is One Direction. Yeah, and then that is what I wake up to every morning, as you would have saw this morning. So pretty. So yeah, that's my room. Do you want to see what's in my closet? Again, don't judge. And I might be a little OCD, but there's one. Galley stuff. And yes, that drawer is all gym singlets. And that one is gym pants. And this one is just some tops and some jammies. So that's that one. And the next one, oh, it's a bit stuck. Oh my gosh. And some more clothes. And yes, some more subs. Oops. So that's my room, and now we'll go into the kitchen and lounge room. Kitchen, lounge room. So yeah, that's our place. Let's go Aussies! Woo! It's gonna be a close game. So I just wanted to have a little quick chat before I head off to work, and that is in regard to something that happened this morning, and I could kind of see it happening over the last couple of mornings. And I've told you before that I've been weighing myself every morning, same scales, after my first meal, my pre-workout you could say, and it's been either going down or staying consistent. And what's worrying me is that I'm still getting happy, I'm still on a high when I see that, and that's, I know that's bad, because my goal is, and that's what my main focus is to, one, get healthy, and that means that I need to put on weight, and to be feeling happy when it's still going down shows me that I still have a long way to go. And I just wanted to put that out there because just to show that I'm still struggling even though I'm doing these videos, and that's something that's a good thing as well, because I can be able to look back on this and know that not every day is rainbows and sunshine. I'm feeling good, but just those little things that happen just show you that you're still recovering. You still need to focus on your goal. You need to know your why. You need to prioritize those things. And yes, so I just wanted to say that to you guys this morning. Yeah. So now I am off to work, and I'll probably come back after. So bye. Hey guys. So I just finished work, and I had a lot of time, I guess you could say, to think, and I really want to share an important message with you and just tell you a couple of thoughts that ran through my head at work. So I'll finish this video here because it has been a bit lengthy, and if you could kindly just click onto the next one that I'm upload and hear what I have to say. And yeah, so thank you.